Hi, this is Panchali on behalf of Srimoy. Again, coming with a new video. Today's video is sari video, and a mixed bags. Really, it's a mixed bag collection today. Pure silks are there, tasar are there, malmal cotton, not malmal cotton exactly, khadi cottons are there, designer khadi cotton, not daily wear. In last video, I showed a number of daily wear cotton pieces. Yes, of course, many cotton pieces are still there, but these are today which I will show all are designer one. That's the main thing, not daily wear, regular pieces within, yes, few pieces are there, but maximum of them are designer one. Okay, the booking procedure, you know that you have to make a screenshot and send it to our WhatsApp number 8910156418. Starting with pure tasar. Okay, pure tasar silk, of course with silk mark certified, and this is the first one, and I am just really, the piece is excellent color combination. The color combination, I think you will love it, those who like tassars. And I think according to silk, these tassars are the just a beauty. Okay, so first showing, this one is the palla. Okay, sea green with a light blue, a mix and match is there with beautiful floral block print. This is the piece, and I will show the blouse piece. Of course, in all over the sari this shade is going on. First sea green shade is there, and in the lower part, see, this blue comes. Okay, and this is the block throughout the sari. Okay, a beautiful zari border. This one is the full piece. Okay, I'm showing the palla closely so that you have an idea. See, all over the zari border will be there. This will be the blouse piece. I think with the pure one, you should wear its own blouse. Don't experiment with this type of sari. These are classic piece. Actually, these are classic piece. 5450. That's the price. Pure silk. Okay, pure tassar silk. This is the first hot tassar today. Moving towards the next one, another tassar is waiting today, and and of course this type of silk mark will be there. See the silk mark. Okay, now silk mark comes in like this small. Previously it was like a card, but now the silk mark is in the form of this one. Okay, the second one, it's a classy one, and to me it is too attractive than the previous one because of this beautiful ajrak block, and the block and the shades are there. It's unique, seriously it is unique. Actually matte finish, pure tassar will not be at all too glossy, then there must be something wrong, because this is the matte finish. See, first this is the zari border first, then comes this ajrak block. First I am showing you the palla. In palla, 3-4 types of blocks are used. Okay, then see the blouse piece. This is our sap green color. Okay, and then comes this ajrak blocks. Okay, first ajrak blocks, then black. It's actually not ash black color. Then comes this block, ajrak block again, then this saffron, not saffron, this is rust, then again another green, then again ajrak block, then this zari border again. This is the full sari, a classy piece. I must say it's a classy one. And from plates, or the two colors are there. In the lower part, this ajrak border will be there, and upper part, this black. Okay, from up to plates, this 3-4 blocks contrast will be there, and this is the palla. It's a classy one. I just really, it's a beautiful one. Moving towards the next one. The next one, it is a Bishnupur Katan, Kalakhetra Katan. In last sari video, designer sari video, not the previous one, I showed a Bishnupur Katan Kalakhetra. This one is another one. Actually, as wedding season is going on, we need this type of sari a lot. Okay, the previous tasar, that is the same range, 5450, and Bishnupur, and see silk mark is there. Okay, if it's all the sari which I showed actually in pure silk, all are silk mark certified. Yes, in some sari it's not possible to always. I checked actually whether silk mark is there or not. Actually, the manufacturer take extra prices, but I always give them with silk mark. Okay, this is Bishnupur Kalakshetra Katan, and just a mind blowing piece, and the color combination. The three shades are there. First, a beautiful yellow, then yellow with fuchsia pink combination gives this color, and last this fuchsia pink with purple comes this color. See, this is actually the significance of Kalakshetra. In Kalakshetra, always this type of palla comes, and all over the sari, these are weaved. These buttas are weaved. Different buttas are available in different sari, not same, exactly same piece, not possible at all to make. This is the blouse piece, okay, and full sari. This is Bishnupur silk Kalakshetra, you know the katan quality, sleek zari border, and then another temple border is there, and this will be the fall. See, 5580, 5580. Kalakshetra Katan, a beautiful one. I think those who don't like silk, please have this only single piece in your wardrobe. It will, if it is must. Then comes our very own pure Murshidabad silk, all are three ply. I know you know that actually the silks which I actually shows all are pure one, and this red. I think if you like silk pure one, and for Valentine's Day or any wedding, you can just slick beauty. First, I will show you the block. See, this is the palla, full palla. The design is just, see the block. See, this is the full palla. In blouse piece, this border will come in blouse piece all over the sari. And it is actually patli pallu in style. In plates, the same block will come, which is in palla, it will come in plates. Okay, I want to show you. See, in this triangular manner, this in plate, this design will come. So this is the full view. Blouse piece is there, and this is a classy one, 4350. 4350 Bishnupur, sorry, Murshidabad silk 3 ply. Moving towards the next one, if it is too bright, then this one is a shooting beauty, and I think no age limit is there. It's not only, I think, to me, red is of course attract, but to me this is more beautiful. Actually, all the pieces, I love silk, so all the pieces are equally beautiful, and the color and hand painted. It is hand painted pure Murshidabad silk 3 ply. See, first see the palla. Just see the palla. Floral lotus. Yes, lotus is hand painted. Actually, tie and dye is done and then hand paint. It is not the same price as that of the normal block. It is a little bit higher because of its hand paint. Okay, see. This will come in pleats, and in the upper half this floral design. Actually, it is a designer one, pure Murshidabad silk 3 ply, 4500. This is in the range of 4500, but the rate is going to increase in from the next lot. I don't know whether I can give you in the same price or not. Okay, moving towards another beauty. It is a Bishnupur silk, Mom Chitro Batik. This is called Mom Chitro Batik. It's again in, actually, as wedding season, as well as many parties are there. New Year parties are there, as well as there is a birthday, anniversary, and many parties. I think if you wear this type, you can wear it in any office party also, because these are just not too glossy but aristocratic. See, this is pure Vishnupur silk Momchitra batik. See the batik closely. This is fully hand works batik, and you know hand works batik how neat the work is. See, birds are there, flowers are there, petals are there with this the sleek border black beauty. Actually, this is a black beauty. All half the full upper half, first half is with this full batik, and from plates the work will be in the lower half. Actually, skirt border like. Okay, and this will be the full look of the saree. Isn't it beautiful? I am just, and in blouse piece also this bird will come. It will come in sleeves. Okay, in blouse piece it is 4550, 4550 for this beautiful one. Moving towards the last silk for today, pure one. I will show a number of different pieces today, but this one is for pure one. This is the last for today. This is pure Tasar Ghicha. Many of you already purchased Tasar Ghicha. You know these are with silk work. I am showing a aristocrat one. Those who like to wear pure one in office as well as like to wear something soothing beauty. This ikat in pure Tasar Ghicha. This is the palla. Ikat print is this, not pure weaving ikat. This is ikat print, but the quality is pure Tasar Ghicha. This is magenta with the Tasar color, original Tasar color with magenta. This is the palla. Blouse piece is there in Ghicha again, and full sari. This in both side, this type of ikat is there, ikat weaving is there, and a shooting design fabric, shooting design one. This is the full sari. Okay, 3850, 3850 for this beautiful one. Moving towards cotton. In cotton, yes, I will show few pieces of semi silk also today, but first I want to show you these two pieces of designer cotton. Many of you already asked me about its price, and I want to show you in front. This one is a designer. So two piece I will show. Both are different, and it will take few days. If this one uh, sold out, then for another 2 weeks, 1 to 2 weeks will require for making the same piece. Actually, a designer cotton, pure cotton, khadi cotton with kalamkari and ajrak. How I am showing you the first half. This is the design. The first half it is in. This is white. Okay, white. The border is pure ajrak one, not kalamkari. Here ajrak is used. Pure ajrak border. Cotton silk is used as piping, yellow and red. Okay, and then comes another ajrak. Okay, and it will be in the both side. And how? And there is a mirror work in the upper half. Mirror half, multiple, actually Gujarati style mirror work is there, and this will come up to plates, and from plates this is full ajrak. The next half of the saree without blouse piece, you can wear a mix and match of blouse piece with it. If you have any ajrak blouse or any mirror work designer black blouse, just wear it. It will be something different. This is the next half. So half and half sari. The first half is in khadi cotton, and from pleats it is pure ajrak one. This is the beauty of this sari. 1950, 1950 for this beautiful one. See, this is the piece. Those who like to have something uncommon, just grab it. I will just say, just grab it. Moving towards the next one, it is again a designer one of the same kind, but this design is completely different from the previous one. First, I will show you a few cotton designer pieces. Then I will move to semi silk one. This one is ikat. This type of mirror work is there also. Here, half and half is done with ikat and cotton. This is the next one. This is half of the sari. It is this ikat is there. See, okay. So with red velvet border, and this is actually piping again done. with a black, and then it comes in the upper half, same type of mirror work is there, and this full the sari will come up to plaits, this ikat one, and it is actually mix and match here. Attachment is done with the white cotton one, and it will come in the next half, so the look will be like the ikat will be up to your plates. So this will be the look of the sari. 1950 for this beautiful mix and match sari, pure cotton one, no mix up is there, it is fully cotton. Now moving with some pieces of semi silk, actually semi muslin, these are very much in now, and the price is little bit, previously it was 1650 and now it decreases, now it is 1580 semi muslin with blouse piece. In last video I showed two color, today two design actually. This one is not exactly pure white, this is creamish white with all over this woven madhubilota. Madhubilota is woven, the fabric is semi muslin, it is not pure muslin. The blouse piece is plain here with border will be there, and all over the sari this madhubilota is done. And from play, actually this will come in blouse piece, this tie border you can use it as blouse piece. Now it is the last part, the blouse piece is plain, here blouse piece is plain. In last video I showed two pieces where blouse piece was some butas are there, but in this is there is no buta, this is plain. Okay, 1580 for this beautiful one, semi muslin, you can easily wear it in any sort of parties. Moving towards the next color, it is again another beauty, black with madhubilata, same range 1580, madhubilata weaving, and with border is there in blouse piece with madhubilata all over, it is all over. Okay, black all over, this is the palla, the blouse piece will come in this way with this madhubilata border will be there. Okay, all over the sari this weaving is going on, see, fully up to full pleats, not the end of the sari the work is there. Okay, so no gap is there all over the sari, the fall is too good and budget friendly. I think within 2000 within 1600 you are getting this type of designer one. Okay, 1580 for this piece. Moving towards the next one, in next another piece of this is a new color, this is a bottle green with I have, it's restocked actually, previously one color was there, it's again restocked. Okay, butas are there in blouse piece, bottle green. See, this is the palla, this is the blouse piece, all over butas are there, and this is the design. Okay, in full there is black is there, and in this type of not it is gap, the design is different, that's why, but both are equally beautiful. 1580 for this beauty. Moving towards a beautiful piece, it is rich, not exactly, this is blended Bangalore silk, hand Gujarati with Parshi. Okay, blended Bangalore silks. This is not at all pure one. If it is pure, then the price will rise up to 9,000 or 8,500. It is blended one, and so the price is lower. And see, but it is fully handcrafted, handwork. This is, see, I am showing you the back so that you have an idea. This is fully handwork, no machine work is there. Hand Gujarati is there, as well as Parshi. Parshi and Gujarati mix and match. This is there, and this is the Gujarati work. See, first see the palla. I have to show it. See, this is the palla, and all over the sari with blouse piece. Blouse piece is there all over the sari in both side border. This Parshi work is going on, and in middle Gujarati work is going on, and full. It is not that up to plates, full work is there. Just a minute, I am showing you. Yes, this is the full piece. Okay, full plates will be there. up to pleats. This work will be there. Border and piping border is there. A light piping border with red is there. This is the full look. This will be the blouse piece, of course, in sleeves. This work will be there. 3650. 3650 for this beautiful one. As wedding season is going on, I must show few pieces of katan, and these are jal katan, premium quality, not pure one. If it is pure silk katan, the price obviously 5,000 and more, and as it is semi katan, but according to quality, if you I love pure one, but according to quality it's not at all. I have a same katan in pure one in my own wardrobe, but the quality is not at all, it's comparable with that one. Okay, heavy quality, premium quality, black beauty, Banaras katan, full jal katan. This is the palla. Blouse piece is there. In blouse piece also border will come, and here is jhalar. Yes, this will come in blouse piece. See, this border will come. Jhalar is there at the end of the palla, all over the sari. This is going on, and see the plates. You have an idea about the quality of the blended one. Okay, see, this is actually Banaras weaving, fully 2250 for this beautiful one. 2250. This is a katan. I think for wedding purpose we need not only pure one, we need some blended one also, because it's not always possible to wear the pure one always. Again 1980, another katan, and this is Pathani style katan, half and half, not half and half actually. The design is a beautiful one. 1980, of course, with blouse piece. See, jal katan, in the lower half minakari is done, and it is corner to corner. See, first this is the palla, this is the full palla. In lower part this type of jhalar will come, and this minakari work decreases slowly, and this buta work increases, and the next half it is from pleats, it is fully butas are there. Benaras semi silk katan, and this is minakari one. 1950 for this one. This is the blouse piece of course with border. Okay, this is the next for today. Now moving towards few pieces of pure cotton. In pure cotton today, first I will show you few pieces of Sambalpuri Ikkat. You know Sambalpuri Ikkat quality, and they're weaving pure cotton Sambalpuri Ikkat for office wear, as well as these can be your party wear also, I think so. If you like to wear only cotton, and then these are for you. Okay, this is pure weaving, Sambalpuri weaving, pure kotki, actually pure kotki, Sambalpuri kotki, full weaving. See, these borders are weaved fully. I think about Sambalpuri cotton. See, this is, and all over butas, small butas are there. These are fully weaved. See, these butas are weaved. This is the pure traditional weaving in Sambalpuri. 3500. 3500. All ikat which I will show today, all are in the same range. 3500. Okay, this is the first one. This is, I think, without, yes, blouse piece is there running. Moving towards the next one, it is double ikat Sambalpuri cotton 3500 with blouse piece. Blouse piece is separately given here, and this one is double ikat. Okay, traditional Sambalpuri cotton. This can be your party wear if you are going to attend some birthday party, anniversary party. Just wear it. And although it is cotton, no such type of shininess is there, but these are just perfect. See, this is the palla, and full sari, this weaving, double ikat weaving is going on. Okay, full sari, no, and this is fully weaving, not at all any print. Okay, in both side red border, and in middle this blue, this block is weaved, fully weaved, and with these pure ikat blouse piece is there, red in ikat, pure one. 1 meter blouse piece will there with this one. 3500 3500 for this one. The last Sambalpur ikat again. This is the Sambalpuri one again. Same color, I think. Yes, but the palla is different. It is actually Ganga Jamuna style. The palla color changes. Yes, here it is. The palla is different. Ganga Jamuna border, one side yellow, one side red. This is the palla. Okay, this is the palla. Full sari. The small buttas are there. Again the same range, 3500. Now moving towards few pieces of Maheshwari. In Maheshwari today, this is vegetable dyed Maheshwari, and you know their quality. This and this is the first one which I am showing. This one is, the quality is same as that of Gajji. You know, many of you purchase Gajji from me, and this one is same as that of Gajji. Okay, this is the block, vegetable block there. This is the palla. Okay, but its quality is different, more smooth, more soft. This is the palla. All over the sari, see the softness. See, this is the softness of the sari. This block, vegetable dyed block is going on, and there is the blouse piece is different. This is the blouse piece. Okay, those who like to wear some just aristocrat design one, for them, 2350 for this one. In same fabric, another piece is there. The Maheshwari Bapta is also there. I will show you a little. The price is slightly different. This one is same as that of the previous, just the vegetable diet color changes, and its palla is just beautiful. See the palla. This is the palla in beige, all over this maroon, and both sides this block is used. Sleek zari border, 2350, same range. Okay, see, this is the pleat, this is the palla, and a bright blouse piece with this. Okay, 2350. Now moving towards two pieces of another piece of Maheshwari is there. The color is different. It's applies. It is actually bafta. So the Chanderi cotton bafta. Sorry, it is Chanderi cotton bafta, and its range is 1980. It is same as that of Gajji one. The price is same. Okay, this is the color. This is the palla. The blouse piece will be in this running, and all over the sari this block is going on. Moving towards few pieces of this is ikat weaving Chanderi bafta, and sequence is also there. Okay, and see the piece. I wore a red of this. It's already sold out. Two colors I will show. This one is not at all orange. It is somewhat in between orange and saffron. Okay, so this is the piece in palla. This is ikat style weaving is there, and light sequence is weaved here. Okay, orange, it is just a rusty orange. It is the color. Sleek zari border. The body is plain, nothing is there in body, and that is the beauty for this sari. I think this is the piece. Those who like to wear single color but aristocrat one, for them this is perfect. Moving towards this another color. This one is also beautiful. Pink. Pink is the color. I am just showing you the color, otherwise the video will be too long. Moving towards few pieces of khadi cotton. Actually slab khadi, these are slab khadi, pure cotton one, on which machine embroidery done, but the embroidery work is so beautiful with blouse piece. Of course I have to show, just new coming piece. Blouse piece is running, but the three colors I will show, all the three. Lemon yellow, this is actually for Vasant Panchami, you can try it. Lemon yellow is the color. See, these embroidery is there throughout the sari. Okay, in full sari all over up to pleats fully this border will be there, and all over the body this embroidery will go on. Okay, this type of flower embroidery will go on all over the sari. Okay, and sleek zari border is there. See, this is the full sari, and of course blouse piece is there. In blouse piece no work, just plain blouse piece. Okay, this is the first color. These are in the range of 1280. 1280. Two more colors. I'm just showing the colors, otherwise it will be too long. This is the next color, royal blue. Just see it, royal blue is the color, and the third one, it is black. All are equally beautiful, equally bright. Okay, for those who like to wear cotton only, and see there is silver zari is used here. In blue also, all three silver zari is used. Okay, this is the third one. Moving towards the next, actually I think you have an idea. Today all are designer one. All the pieces, whether it is cotton, whether it is silk, all are designer one. Okay, this one is mercerized by mercerized khadi cotton. No BP is there. Fully khadi cotton weaving. Okay, and this one, see the weaving. It's, I should show it all over. Just black and white with this weaving. See the weaving quality. This is weaved. I have to show you. See, this is the, no blouse piece is there. See, fully weaved. Okay, so all over the sari, fully this weaving, mercerized by mercerized khadi cotton. 2450, 2450 for this beautiful one. Moving towards two pieces of just new in stock. These are cotton silk. Okay, handloom cotton silk, but too bright. This is premium quality cotton silk, not that regular within 1000 or. These are 1280. No, sorry. These are 1350. 1350. See the piece. This type of kolka border is there in both sides. Ganga Jamuna style, one side fuchsia pink, on another side navy blue, all over ikat weaving. See the palla. This is the palla. The blouse piece will be in contrast, and all over the sari, this weaving is going on. See, in the lower part, this kolkas will come. In the upper part, in the first half, this kolka will come, and from them, this Ganga Jamuna style is going on, and this is the look 1350. Okay, it's another color I will show you, and then just a single piece of dhania khali, two pieces of dhania khali I will show. That's the last. This another color for the same piece, same price. This is the best color is white with red and black. I think you, those who like my videos, they have an idea. I don't show those pieces which I can't wear. I only show those pieces which I also like to wear. Okay, this is the palla. Full ikat weaving is there in both sides. One side red, another side black. This kolka border and ikat weaving is going on, and in the body these buttas are there. Okay, these buttas are there in the lower part. These kolkas will come in interval. White, red and black, the same range, that is 1380. A beautiful newly coming, and this design, it's not too common. I think if you wear it, you will be one of those who are wearing something unique. Now moving towards two pieces of just new coming dhania khali, premium quality, soft quality dhania khali hand paint. You know, I showed a number of dhania khali in daily wear basis. This one is dhania khali. Block is there as well as hand paint is there. No blouse piece. In this type of sari, you know, no blouse piece will come, because you can easily wear any type of blouse, any color blouse actually with them. First see the palla. Actually Jamini Roy inspired painting is again on soft Dhania Khali cotton, too soft. This is the butter soft quality. This is Jamini Roy inspired painting is there, and then comes this block all over the sari. This human blocks are there, not world style, but it is human block. This is the palla and full sari. This block is going on. See, full sari in both end. This purple. This is not black. This is dark purple. Okay, and this block is going on. It is in the range of 1580. 1580. Another premium quality Dhania Kali hand paint with block is there. Just different blocks, different hand paint I used to show. New pieces are coming in every day, in every week I try to show you. These are for regular wear, just wear it easily, wash it easily. I think no, yes, first time dry wash always preferable. This part, the border part, the fish and this abstract painting, this is in hand paint. Okay, and in middle this worldly block, this is fully block. Okay, there is one paint is there and another block, and then paint and block. This type, this panel wise full sari is this same price 1580. This is the piece, no blouse piece is there for this one also. The last for Dhania Khali today, and then I will show two pieces of Jamdani batik mix and match. I think although I showed all the sari above 1000, but all are unique, and the prices of this type of saris. Again checked Dhania Khali, on which it is only hand block is there. Two types of block. These are Rashi falls are there in both side, and in middle this is Sahaj Path, very own Sahaj Path by Rabindranath Tagore. Those figures are there used as blocks in between the sari, full sari. This is going on 1480. 1480 for this one. And the last I will show two pieces of Jamdani, pure cotton Jamdani, soft Jamdani with batik mix and match. And this one is the first one. The color combination is too good. It's again restocked. Two pieces I tried. Actually, these are I have to make it separately. These are not easily available. The color, best color of Jamdani is this beautiful green. See the green. Okay, and in both border, this is patchwork is done with batik. Okay, in palla, this is full batik. Pure malmal cotton batik is used, and all over the sari, this is all over Jamdani. No gap is there. All over this pure cotton Jamdani. Okay, and with these Jamdani blouses you here. Okay, you can from the lower part in pleats part, you can take a part and use it as in blouse also. This is Jamdani blouse. Okay, this is the first color, and the next one, two piece I will show today. This is the next color, and that's the end for today's video. This is for, I think, for Basant Panchami. You can try this one also. This is navy blue with yellow. Yellow Jamdani is used with navy blue batik. Okay, this can be your Basant Panchami. This is the batik one all over the sari. This Jamdani is used in the as a base. This is the palla. In both sides, this patch up is done with batik, pure malmal cotton batik, and with it this Jamdani blouse piece. 1580. 1580 for this one also. That's all for today. If you are interested, please make a screenshot and send it to our WhatsApp number 8910156418. Thank you.